It has been really an amazing experience. I always had short teeth to begin with, and then I brux, I grind my teeth at night. And when I was younger, I was too proud to wear a mouth guard, which was stupid, but it wore my teeth down even more. And so the combination of short teeth and grinding them down, I had a lot of jaw pain. I basically lived with almost constant pain up here, and I had a lot of tightness in my jaw. One of the things I didn't realize till after I did the procedure or the restoration was that it was really hard for me to smile, just to pull the muscles back in my face. And so for me, although the cosmetic element was nice, I really wanted to be free of pain, and I wanted more functionality in my bite. I'd go to the dentist and they would tell me, you have no bite. My teeth didn't, only a few teeth even met. So, it was pretty messed up. I found Dr. Stewart actually online. I was just looking at some YouTube videos, and I had been told by other dentists that what I needed was full mouth restoration, which meant grinding down all my teeth, putting in crowns. I just hated that idea. Also, it was very, very expensive, and it just didn't seem right to me. And also, I had 22 natural teeth. In spite of all my problems, I actually had some strength left in those teeth. And so when I found out about his method, and I got to talk to him and his team, I said, this is for me. And I actually flew out from another state a couple times to get this done, and believe me, I have no regrets. It has been wonderful. I basically don't even think about it. It just feels like these are my teeth. And so really I couldn't be happier. And it cost a fraction. I mean, still, it's not a small amount of money, but it cost a fraction of what a full mouth restoration would have been. I look like a better version of me, which is exactly what I wanted. So yeah, I'm really grateful to Dr. Stewart and the whole team. If anybody's thinking about doing this, I'd really highly recommend it. I'm free of a lot of pain, and I'm enjoying being able to smile in a much more natural way again. So
that's fantastic.
Thank you.